Question 2. The diagrams show a rectangle and a triangle with all the measurements in centimetres. First thing I want to do here is find an expression for the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is length times breadth. So that's going to be 2x plus 1 times x plus 8. So that would just give me 2x squared plus x plus 16x plus 8, which is going to give me 2x squared plus 17x plus 8. Part B, it says, given that the area of the rectangle is equal to the area of the triangle, show that x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So here's another show that question. We want our very last line to be this, x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So let's get an expression for the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is a half base times height. So that's just going to be a half times the base, which is 2 bracket x plus 5, times the height, which is 3x. Okay. Move this down a bit. So let's make this a bit better. So a half times 2 is just 1. So that would just be 3x bracket x plus 5, which will be 3x squared plus 15x. Now it's saying here in part B that the area of the rectangle is equal to the area of the triangle. So therefore that means that, and I'll do this in a different colour, it means that 3x squared plus 15x is equal to 2x squared plus 17x plus 8. So then we want to make it look like what we have here on the left hand side. So take everything across to the left hand side. So that's going to be 3x squared minus 2x squared plus 15x, take away 17x, take away 8 is equal to 0. Simplify, and therefore we get x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0 as required. Okay. Part C. Hence find algebraically the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we can now use that quadratic equation that we just proved there. So we've got x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So let's go ahead and solve it. So 1 times minus 8 is minus 8. So the combination will work out for that will be minus 4 and 2. So it'll give me x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Many common factorise, many common factorise. So that'll be x bracket x minus 4 plus 2 bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0. So that means we're going to have x plus 2, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Sorry, x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 4. My apologies. So again, another situation where we want to decide which one we're going to use. So common sense tells you that you can't use the negative value because you can't have a negative height in a triangle. So it would have to be x is 4. So we just discard this. So we can say, therefore, x is equal to 4. And the question then says, Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Well, if x is equal to 4, then the length is x plus 8 and the breadth is 2x plus 1. So if I sub 4 in for that, it's going to be 4 plus 8, which gives us 12. And it says it's centimetres, so it's just going to be centimetres. The breadth is 2x plus 1. So take the 4 and put it in for that. So it's going to be 2 times 4 plus 1. 8 plus 1, it gives us 9. So it's going to be 9 centimetres. Alright.